Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is 3 times a plus 2 over square root a is equal to 1. Then what is the value of a minus square root a? So let's start. First of all, the given information is 3 times a plus 2 over square root a is equal to 1. Look at the nominator. This square root a in denominator implies that square root a is not equal to 0. That is why we can multiply this equation by square root a, multiply this side by square root a, and the right hand side is 1, multiply this one by square root a. So square root a multiply 3 times a, this will become a 3a square root a, plus we write this as a 2 over square root a multiply a, it's equal to, this will become a square root a. This square root and square root a will cancel, so we get a, this is a 3 times a square root a plus 2, it's equal to square root a. Now we subtract a square root a on both sides of this equation, so we get a 3 times a square root a minus square root a plus 2, it's equal to 0. So look at this middle term. This is minus square root a. So we write this value as 2 times square root a minus 3 times square root a. Why we split this value into 2 times square root a and 3 times square root a? Because 2 involved in this term and 3 involved in this term. So that is why we write this as this is a 3 times a square root a. We split this as a minus 3 times a plus 2 times square root a minus 3 times square root a plus 2 times square root a plus 2, it's equal to 0. Now look at this first two term. 3 times square root a involved in this two term, so we factor out 3 times square root a and the remaining value is a minus 1, and 2 involved in this last two term, so we factor out and the remaining value is under root a plus 1, it's equal to 0. Now look at this vector and this vector are not same, but we write this a as a square root a square, square root a square minus 1, we write this as a 1 square, this is also equal to 1. We copy the remaining value, this is a 2 times square root a plus 1, it's equal to 0. Now look at this two term, here we use identity and we know that a square minus b square, it's equal to a plus b and a minus b. So apply this identity on this two term, so this will become a square root a plus 1 and square root a minus 1 plus 2 times square root a plus 1, it's equal to 0. Now look at this square root a plus 1 and this is also square root a plus 1. This involved in these two terms, so we factor out square root a plus 1 and the remaining value is 3 times square root a, this is a square root a minus 1 plus 2, it's equal to 0. Now we simplify this value, so this is a square root a plus 1 and multiply 3 times under square root a multiply square root a, we get a 3a, multiply this 3 times square root a by minus 1, we get a minus 3 times square root a plus 2, it's equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So square root a plus 1, it's equal to 0, or this is a 3a minus 3 times square root a plus 2 it's equal to 0. Now look at this. If we solve this expression, then we just get the value of a, but in our question we find the value of a minus square root a. For this, look at this equation. 3 involved in these two terms, so we factor out and the remaining value is a minus square root a, and plus 2 it's equal to 0. We find the value of this part. So for this we subtract 2 on both sides of this equation. We get 3 time a minus square root a, it's equal to minus 2. Divide this equation by 3, we get a minus square root a, it's equal to minus 2 over 3. So this is our required solution, and we have done. Thank you.